Hey everyone, welcome back to Byte Matrix. In today's video, I will show you how reset a forgotten password on Windows 10 or Windows 11 without losing a files and without using any USB device. All right, let's get started. Press and hold the Shift key and restart your PC, kept holding until you see blue screen. Once you hear click on Troubleshoot option, then select Advanced button. Now click on Command option. Now we need to locate the drive where Windows is installed. In most cases, it's the C drive, but sometimes it can change at recovery mode. Type C:, press enter, then type dir, press enter. If you don't see Windows folder, then try another drive like D:, press enter. Then type dir, press enter again. Once you find the drive contain the Windows folder, then type CD Windows, press enter. Then type CD System32. Nowhere inside the Windows 32 folder, the next step is very important. Now type ren utilman.exe utilman1.exe. Now type rencmd.exe utilman.exe, press enter. Once done, close the command window and press continue to boot back to Windows. Now we're back at login screen now. Click on Abilities option. Instead of the Abilities setting, commands will open. Now type this command carefully. Type Control User Password 2, press enter. A user account window will appear. Select account and click Reset Password. Now you can leave the password blank to remove it completely or enter new password. Close everything and sign into computer using the new password. Here we go, you back inside the Windows without losing any data. And that's it. Hopefully this video helped you to recover access to your computer.